Here we have a 2018 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. Let's have the rail around the front, windlass with anchor, hard top, roll out canvas. There is camper canvas. Beautiful boat. Twin Mercury 300 horse Verados with joystick, stainless 4-blade props, sea decking throughout, pull out rear bench seat, so that'll fold up and tuck back in if you want the deck space. There is a barbecue grill under the counter, storage, sink, sprayer, refrigerator, flip-flop passenger seat, bolster driver's seat, tilt steering, remarine screen, VHF radio, stereo. There's your joystick. Yacht certified. Does have a fully enclosed head. There is a lot of boating items in there right now, so it's a little hard to see, but it's roomy. It has a sink. So you step down into it, it's pretty big. Rod holders. Walk-through windshield. It does have the windscreen, so if it's a chilly night, you can close the center windshield, close the windscreen, and keep it warmer in the cockpit. There is storage under there. There is a table, filler cushions for the bow, grab handles, speakers. This boat's gorgeous. We do offer financing here. There's in-floor storage. Come check this one out at SkipperBud's.